All right, you guys, I have to show you these Arancini little tools. So I've got a pack of 2 from Amazon. One has a round nose and one makes the pointy Arancini. All right, so I'm going to show you. Let's just make one together, okay? So first things first, you take, it's a 3-piece, you take the 2 top off. Then you want to fill this up with rice. Well, with the, I've got leftover risotto, so I'm going to fill this up to the best of my ability as such, just to the rim. A little bit messy, pop that part on. Then we are going to just get this part, press it down to make a hollow mark like that. Then we are going to place our, I'm just doing a bit of mozzarella in there because I didn't make a sauce. Then we are just going to add a little bit more rice just to press it down. You can turn the back end of that just to press it down. Then take this off, hold on. And you want to make sure it comes out. All right, she's out, look at it. Beautiful, perfect, and they'll all be uniform. All right, so there's a round version tool and a pointy one. So what I generally like to do at this stage, I'll put all these before I crumb them on a baking tray, put in the fridge 2 hours uncovered. That will help draw out any more moisture from the rice. Then, I mean, you could do it overnight, but 2 hours is enough. Then I'll egg wash and crumb. So in the crumb, this is not traditional. I'm just showing you more the tool. The crumb, I have a bit of pecorino and dried thyme. This is, like I said, just leftover risotto. But we'll pretend that these have chilled a little bit because we're desperate. You know me by now. All right, one hand is going to egg wash straight into the crumb. Let it rain all over. Crumb it up. A little bit of shake. And that's it. I'm actually going to bake these just with a bit of oil, but you can deep fry them. And there's a smaller size as well. Love it.